So a radical expression is an exponential rational expression, like in this case. Okay?
Radicals have several parts. This is a radical. This part is called a coefficient. Whenever we don't have anything here, that means that we actually have a 1. But we don't grade it because if we had a 1 here, then it will be the same thing as grading this part alone. This is the index. This number tells us how many times we're going to multiply the same number to get this part. That's called the radicand. The radicand is the number that's inside the radical. That is this strange house with this strange line. It's important to grade this line so we can differentiate between a division house and a radical house.
So when we have to simplify large radicands, we do the following. So here I have the large radicand. So we divide it by prime numbers until we get a 1. In this case, the prime numbers are all 3. Depending on the index, I will make groups of numbers. So if I have a 6 as an index, then I will make groups of 6 numbers. Okay, so in this case, 6 threes, and well, we take just 1 3. And the other 3, we multiply it times the other one, the other number that is outside the group. If there was a 2, then I would have 6, but there's no 2. So the number that comes from the group of numbers, we take it out from the radical and we multiply it times the coefficient, and the one that we left alone, we will leave it again inside the radical as a radicand.
This three we got it here, and this one we wrote it inside the radicand. What's gonna happen with the r? Well, I have a really good method for this. The first thing you have to do is to write the index here outside of a division house, and then the exponent inside the division house, and you divide it. 6 times 1 is 6. You subtract and 0, right? This is the number of r's that's gonna be outside, and this is the number of r's that's gonna be inside. So negative 4 times 3 equals negative 12. And from this we got that we are only going to have an r here outside. And then we just grade the 3 and the index. It's really important, the index. That's 6. So the final answer, I'm going to grade it again. It's going to be negative 12 r times 6 root of 3. What if we have another case of exponents like this? Well, for example, we have an a, the third root of 8 is 7. What are we going to do here? Well, you're gonna divide 7 by 3. 3 times 2 is 6. You subtract it. Yep. It's 1. The remainder. It's gonna be the outside. This is gonna be the inside. So the final answer is gonna be a to the second power, third root of a.